Though built around 1695 by the Dutch East India Company, davidhall, situated in Fort Kochi, gets its name from one of its later occupants, David Koda, a Jewish businessman. The hall, which is now an art gallery, was originally associated with Hendrik Adrian van Reed tot Drakestein, renowned Dutch commander better known for his Hortus Malabaricus, a pioneering compilation of the flora of the Malabar coast. With its cafe serving authentic thin crust pizzas, delicious bites and beverages, and a space for performing arts, the historic building could be an inspiring, vibrant meeting place for fresh talent and lovers of art. Managed by CGH Earth, this place provides amazing pizza. It has a very unpretentious ambience and the spread on the menu itself is limited, but what is served great. Pandhalcafe and Deli, a niche food haven in Kochi that also serves food for those on the trot. The curated menu offers the gamut from Napolitana-style pizzas, sandwich, bagels, tacos, soup and salads, English breakfast, rice bowls, cakes and pastries, probiotic beverages and cold brews. So next time you are in Kochi, do not miss to visit Pandhal.